Imagine a machine scheduled to run for 8 hours a day. On paper, it looks fully utilized, but reality tells a different story. The machine stops several times for breakdowns, runs slower than expected, and produces defective parts that need rework or scrapping. By the end of the shift, the actual productive output is far lower than management expected. This is exactly the problem OEE was designed to measure. OEE stands for Overall Equipment Effectiveness. It is one of the most important performance measurements used in lean manufacturing and operational improvement. OEE helps businesses understand how effectively equipment is actually performing in real production conditions. It combines three major factors: availability, performance, and quality. Availability measures how often the machine is actually running when it is supposed to be running. Breakdowns, changeovers, and unplanned downtime all reduce availability. If a machine is scheduled for 8 hours but only runs for 6, availability drops significantly. The second factor is performance. This measures whether the machine is running at its expected speed. Even if equipment stays operational, slow cycles, minor stoppages, and reduced running speed lower performance. A machine designed to produce 100 units per hour, but only producing 70, is losing performance efficiency. The third factor is quality. This measures how many good products are produced compared to defects or rework. If 10% of production is defective, then quality performance drops as well. OEE combines all three measurements together to show how much truly productive manufacturing time exists. Imagine a machine with 90% availability, 90% performance, and 95% quality. The overall OEE becomes roughly 77%. That means almost a quarter of potential production capacity is being lost somewhere in the process. This is why OEE is so powerful. It makes hidden losses visible. Instead of blaming operators or guessing where problems exist, teams can identify whether the biggest issue is downtime, slow running speed, or product defects. World-class manufacturing operations often target OEE scores above 85%, but the real goal is not chasing perfect numbers. The goal is understanding where productivity losses occur and improving them systematically over time. The companies that improve operational performance fastest are usually the ones measuring equipment effectiveness honestly, instead of relying on assumptions. Explore free templates, calculators, courses, videos, and software tools at simplicityhub.co.uk. Simplicity Hub, making things simple.